Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Statement
Yes.
in the sketch alongside NR, it's parallel to line LM.
Sure.
Then the area KN is to NN. Ratio, I think it's 5:3.
Okay, they give us the ratio of KN.
Of KN is
From here to here. No?
yes.
It's 5.
It's 5:3. Oh,
5
KN it's 5.
Yeah.
Then it's 3.
Sure.
And then continue. It says and LP is LP is to PQ, which is 7, which is 6:7.
LP. Let me check that. So it's LP is to
PQ.
Is to PQ. Yeah, this is
Yes. It's 6:7.
It's 6:7. Did I cite the letters? What should we use for this black one?
Let's use A. I used A.
A is to 3A.
Yes.
Okay, for blue?
Let's use P.
It's P.
And then it's P.
It's P. Okay, sure. So this is the known. This is what we know. Yes.
Yes. Then we go to the statement. It says number 1 ratio determine the ratio of QM is to KR.
QM is to KR.
Yes, is to KR.
Okay. How do you propose we do that?
Then we identify if we have more information that can give us maybe the ratio of QR or RM.
Okay.
Then if the diagram, we have triangle QLM.
We have triangle QLM. Okay, let's take it out, that one. I think it's important.
Yes.
We do have triangle QLM. Control. My drawing is getting worse by a day. But it's maybe the way I'm sitting, which like I'm trying to. Okay, so we have Q L M. Should I highlight it so that everyone can see it, Nemuhau? Because it's Q, it's L, it's M. You are talking about this triangle, ne?
Yes.
Okay, there's a parallel line there. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, Q L M. So here what you have P here, ne?
Yes, I have P.
And then here you have what? R.
Yes.
Okay. And then from this triangle, you have this one S7P, and then this one SP. Ne?
Yes.
Sure.
Then for the fact that we have NR, which is parallel to LM, we are going to use proportionality.
Okay.
Yes.
So you want me to say what?
Oh, PQ or QP.
Okay, I can say PQ.
Yeah, PQ is to LPL.
You want me to say PQ all over?
To PL.
PL. This is equaling to?
QR.
QR all over?
All over M.
RM. Ne?
Yes.
And then what is the reason behind this?
It's line parallel one side of a triangle.
Line parallel one side of a triangle. Okay, sure.
Yes.
Then what is this thing here?
QR all over RM.
Yeah.
It's 7 all over 6.
7P all over 6P. Ne?
Yes.
This is QR all over RM. Okay, let's put it on our diagram then. What can I say here?
Yes.
I need to update this one.
Yes.
So it means which is going to be 7. This one is 6.
Mm.
Letters that we should use.
X.
6, 7x. Okay, let's also go and update it here on the bigger diagram.
Yes.
So we have 7x. We have 6x. Okay, sharp. Yeah.
Then we check, we go back to our bigger triangle.
Okay, we have the bigger triangle, which is KLM. Okay, let me erase it.
Yes, erase that part.
So you're talking about this one now.
Yes.
KLM. This one.
Yes.
Where you have this line parallel to this one. Let's take it out. That one, we also need it. This is K. This is L. This is M. Parallel. Okay, what can you tell me? You said this one was 5A, ne?
5A, yes.
To 3A, okay.
3A.
Yeah.
Then you're going to use prop theorem again.
Okay, you want me to use the proper thing?
Yes.
What can I say? This is 5.
5K.
5K.
Over 3K.
3K, ne? Okay, let's go and put it here also. Let's go and put it here. So you want to tell me which is from here to here?
From K to R.
Oh, I did. Okay, this is NR. Ne? From K to R, this is 5K. Ne?
Yes.
And then from
R to M.
For R to M, it's 3K. Ne?
3K, yes.
Okay, no, I feel confident so far. Are you confident?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what can we tell them?
Then we are going to focus on RM.
Let's do the prop. I didn't do the prop. I think we should say KN.
Yes.
All over NL. This is going to be equaling to, I think it's KR.
Yes.
All over RM.
Yes.
And then this is prop theorem. Line parallel one side.
Yes.
Of a triangle. Okay?
Then I was saying we're going to focus on RM. Yeah, it's RM.
RM.
Yes.
Okay. Let's write it there. We have RM.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then, oh yeah, under RM, it has two ratios, which is 6x and 3k.
Sure.
Yeah. Then we can either divide by 6 or divide by 3. But then let's divide by 3.
Okay, K is equaling to 2x. Ne?
Yes, 2x.
Sure. Okay, how should I proceed?
Then from here,
we are looking for QM.
Yes, we're looking for QM.
Yeah.
Then from say your screen is I can't see it.
You can't see it anymore.
Yes, I only see 2x.
Okay, now.
Oh yeah, I know, so I can see it.
Okay, sure. QM.
Yes. For us to get QM, we add 7x and 6x.
Okay, we have QM.
Yes.
All over KR. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, we are saying QM is equaling to 7x, which is from here to here, ne? Plus 6x from here to here.
Yes.
all over KR.
Yes.
KR is equal to
5K.
5K. Ne?
Yes.
But we know.
But yes, no. We know that we can represent K in terms of X.
Okay. So what we get? We get 11X.
11. That's a 12X.
13X.
12. It's 12X.
13X.
12.
13.
Akan 7 plus 6 has a 12.
Yo. Wela masana sesi. Wela masana.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 13.
Okay, we have 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, which is going to give us 13x all over 10x. Ne?
Yes.
Then we have 13 all over 10.
Yes.
This one. Agree we were here. We're using RM. You see RM. Look at RM. RM has K and then it has K. It also has X.
Yes.
So we said if we use RM, RM has 6. It also has K. Right?
Yeah.
And then we divided both sides by then we got K. Yes. Oh. Okay, we're almost there, Muhaw. Let's finish it then. What's missing?
Oh, I can see the next question.
Now?
Oh, it says we should determine the ratio of KQ is to RM.
KQ is this part.
Is to, yes, it's this part.
Okay, this one is to RM. RM is which one? This one, 6.
This one.
Okay, let's finish this thing. I know. I'm happy with the work that we have put in so far. It seems as if people are starting to see.
Yes.
Okay. Do we know what is, let's check that thing. Do we know what is the KQ? You say KQ, no?
No.
KQ. Yes, we can find it.
Hmm? You want us to find it? No?
Yes.
Okay, let's try that. So first thing we're going to tell them, we are looking for this ratio, which is KQ.
Yes.
You say it's KQ all over what? All over RM. RM like this. And then KQ we don't know, but RM we do have.
Yes.
We can write it in terms of K, or we can write it in terms of what? Of X. Let's write it in terms of X. All over. Now let's check what is KQ.
KQ
Is what?
3x.
Oh, let's do it.
It's Rex.
Oh, was not 3x.
Let's check it. Let's say agree for us to get KQ. Ne?
KQ.
We have KQ plus. We have KQ plus QR. Ne?
Yes.
This is going to be equal to 5K. Ne?
Yeah, 5K, but we know
Yes.
X.
Huh?
We know K in terms of X.
Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
So we can take this
the
one
other
in terms
side.
of X. Ne?
Yes.
Yes.
It's going to say KQ is going to be equal to 5K. Ne?
Yes.
Minus 7X. Ne?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted us to
That's
write it this way, exactly this way, and then we'll substitute from there. So we can say this is 5K ne? Minus 7X. Ne?
Yes.
But we know K
Yes.
in terms of meaning which we have 10. This is going to be 5.
Yeah.
Yes,
5
going to
multiplied by 2
The answer is 1 over 2.
minus 7X
Yes.
all over
Yes.
6X.
1 over 2.
Okay, this one is 10.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus 7, which is going to give us 3. Ne?
3x.
All over 6X.
6x. Yes.
And then we get
1 over 2.
1 over
2.
2.
Ah, wow, this is beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you, Muhaw.
You're welcome, sir.